Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method from Amazon. Open the website, then sign in with your email or phone number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. Now, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see a section for Help and Settings. Under Help and Settings is an option that says Your Account. Click on Your Account. Under Your Account, you will see several options. Click on Your Payments. On this page, you will see the list of payment methods. Click on the payment method you wish to remove. Next, click on Edit. Then a pop-up window will appear. There, you will see an option that says Remove from Wallet. Click on Remove from Wallet. On the pop-up window, you will see another Remove button. Click on the Remove button. That's how you remove a payment method from Amazon. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.